Ever feel like you speak correct English, but still sound flat? You're not missing grammar, you're missing music. Let's unlock the secret rhythm that makes natives sound natural. English isn't just words, it's melody. Imagine saying, "Oh, really?" Now say it like you're shocked, then say it like you're bored. Hear that change? The words are the same, but your intonation completely changes the emotion. That's the hidden power of fluent speakers. They play with their tone, not just their vocabulary. Try this with me. I can't believe it. Happy. I can't believe it. Disappointed. I can't believe it. Shocked. See how emotion transforms everything? So from now on, don't just speak English, sing it with feeling. Don't forget to subscribe for day 24. We'll practice speaking with confidence and clarity.